Welcome to Module 1 of our Discover Your Purpose course. In this module, you'll clarify your personal values, write your value statements, and learn to live in alignment with your authentic self. Don't forget to print out and use the follow-along guide that comes with this course.
Let's begin with the basics. What do we mean by personal values? Your personal values reflect what is important to you. They are the principles that guide your life. What you do, what you care about, what triggers your emotions, what underlies your decisions, these are all connected to your personal values. Now, your personal values do not reflect who you wish you were, what you want to strive toward, or who you think you should be according to external pressure from other people, from society, from your culture, or even from expectations stemming from your upbringing. In essence, they are not your goals. Your personal values are principles that reflect who you already are at your core right now. They are the qualities you need to express in yourself and in your world in order to feel fulfilled. Your values are your guideposts, your inner compass for an authentic and fulfilling life. When you live in alignment with your personal values, you feel most authentically yourself and fully energized. When you're not honoring one or more of these values, you feel something is amiss. For example, if you value spontaneity, a vacation with a detailed daily itinerary may feel like a drag. If you value collaboration, working solo may be a challenge. If you value loyalty, finding out a friend divulged a confidence may feel particularly hurtful. If you value authenticity, you may have little patience for small talk. If you value stability, you may find transitions more difficult than others do. Values can also be very helpful to inform your decisions. When you choose to be authentically you, to live by your values, this naturally narrows your options. Let's say, for example, you're deciding whether to take a better paying job with long hours versus another job that's not as lucrative but will pay the bills and has better hours. If one of your key values is life balance, that may lead you to favor the second job. Keep in mind, we're not using the word values in a religious way, where it often refers to morality. While your personal values may include morality, the term as used here is broader, having to do with the essence of who you are. Personal values may change over time and deepen as you understand yourself better. By building your life around your personal values, you create a life that is more satisfying and meaningful to you.
For this module, your primary assignment is to identify your personal values. To do this, I ask that you complete the values assessment. Then you'll want to add your value statements to the purpose worksheet inside the follow-along guide you printed out. I'll be asking you to fill out this worksheet as you progress through each module. See you in the next video.